Here I have REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the System Settings. Here you have to find Backup and Reset. In the section Google Backup, enable Backup My Data. Then you have to go to the backup accounts. Of course, you'll need internet connection to proceed with this operation. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And then tap Accept and turn on. And after that your device will be backing up automatically. So yeah, with this feature enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.